I'll walk myself. Right, there's the front, we've got a 377 and a 7, and then we have a broken down Gatwick Express 387. Working Selhurst Lowest Walk, which is passing now 5011. Using a couple of the combo of electro-salmon before. Hey! Do you want to check every time trying to what numbers the 38 is Electro-Star? Do you want to check what's the route code going from? 5 2 1 more. Do you want to check? I'm not seeing another broken down combo out of 387 already. Another broken down 387 already. And then 20th of October, when 361 was broken down with Fred and 219 hooked up. Hey! What is it? What is it? Can you check what time trains it before? I don't see what two times. Yes, it's right. 5011 Selhurst T&D to Lowers Walk T&D. Where's that? I'm going to check what's the task. Oh yes. Oh yes. 30 minutes early. That just passed. What is it? Hey. Hey. There's another broken down 387 ready. We're 373 coach 377. Can you tell me the intro, please? Well, we've got a 387 with broken down at Selhurst when 3 coach 377 for London Bridge with 387 hooked up to the level 12 repaired. What is it about? Hey? 377 3 coach down to 375. Yeah, 3375. Huh? Yeah. There was a broken down Gatwick Express 387 when 377 3 coach 377 coupled up to take the lowest walk to be repaired, working 5011. 30 minutes early just passed. Expected at 10:39. Yeah, right, 377321 and the broken down 387227. Go for Selhurst to lowest walk, working from 5011. Working to be repaired.